Standard angle means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So do more and more practice to remember trigonometric ratios for these 5 standard angles. These are very, very important. If you don't know these things, you cannot go ahead. Okay, you have to memorize. It is not necessary to memorize all of them. If you memorize only the trigonometric ratios for sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree, then you can convert in other form. So how to remember? Let's see today also. So I am revising today also. It is very, very important. So this you have to memorize at any cost. Not all of them. You memorize, try to memorize for a sine, for the trigonometric ratio sine. Okay, it's very, very important. I want to show here. Everyone, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this first column is the column of angles. Column of angles means it may be sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. You already know there are 6 trigonometric ratios and standard angles. Here in standard angles, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You apply this trick, whatever we say, it may be trick or it may be method, whatever. Okay, it's very important to memorize. Okay, or idea, whatever you want to say, if you apply this idea or this trick, it will be very helpful. Okay, let's see here. 0 degree. Okay, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. This figure is given in page number 96. Look here, angle ACB is taken here, angle of reference. Okay, that angle ACB becomes smaller and smaller, and finally it approaches to 0. It means it becomes 0. It means in that case, what happens? Sine 0 degree equal to what happens? You know, sine 0 or sine theta, whatever you want to say, that is P upon S. What's the value of P and what's the value of S? In that case, what happens? We have to find. Okay, sine 0 degree equal to, you look here, 0 upon something, 0 upon something means 0. Like this, 0 upon something is 0. So you look here, okay. Okay, 0, sine 30 degree, already you know, half, sine 45 degree, 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree, 1. Okay, this much, if you remember this much, from this much we get other. From cos, now to get for cos. Everyone look here, for cos how to get. This trick or idea you apply. This is the best trick to remember. Okay, cos. Let's see here, cos. Okay, what I have said last time. Now for the cos.
Reverse.
Just reversing. Yeah, just reverse. Just reverse means you look here. Here from 0, just opposite from 90 or 90. You put the value of sine in reverse order. Of sine reverse in reverse order. This you look here, for cos 0 degree, you put you this value. 90 degree of sine 1 here, and this 60 degree here, and this it doesn't change its place. This is in the middle, so it doesn't change, means cos 45 degree also 1 by root 2. Now cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2. Cos 90 degree equal to 0 degree. So, okay, if you want to see, look here, it means, okay, let's see here. I want to show here, this means comes here. Are you clear? Okay, let's see here,
Yes, sir.
it comes here. Okay, it comes here. Okay, it comes here. Look here, it comes here. Are you getting me? Okay, like this. But it looks
Yes, sir.
the zigzag. So, okay, let's see. Okay, one second. Rub them. Okay, let's see. One second, I want to show you here. So look here, from this arrow, value of cos 0 degree, this one comes here, and value of 30 degree, you look here, 30 degree, this value, you look arrow here, this value, root 3 by 2 comes here, and here for 45 degree, just build down, it didn't move in another column, just in the same column but down, and for you look here 60 degree, this value goes, value of 30 degree, sine 30 degree goes here, and for 90 degree, value of sine 0 degree goes here, like this. It means, now let's see here, what are these values? Let's see. Okay, 1, it means, here what here, root 3 by 2. What here? 1 by root 2. What here? 1 by 2. What here? Okay, 0, like this. But here, let's see here. So let's remove all this. So it is not here by removing those arrows. So after this easily you can find other. Okay. For next, tell me for 10. 10 0 degree equal to what we can write? 10 0 degree equal to how much? Anyone tell me?
0.
10 0 degree. How to find this? You know how to find this? Sine 0 degree upon cos 0 degree. Sine 0 degree equal to 0. 0 upon 1 is 0. 0 upon 1 is 0. Okay? 0 upon 1 is 0. So look here. 0. Now for 30 degree find and put here the value of 10 30 degree. You find yourself sine 30 degree upon cos 30 degree. The value of sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2 and value of cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Then how much it becomes here? Tell me. 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3 equal to how much? Tell me. How much? How much?
1 by root 3.
Yeah, 1 by root 3. So you apply your, okay, your mind, your brain here, use your brain here. Don't say some book. because here 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 means 1 by 2 and reciprocal of into reciprocal of root 3 by 2. It means reciprocal of root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. 2 and 2 cot and remains 1 by root 3. So here, you look, it becomes 1 by root 3. Now 45 degree equal to 10 45 degree equal to how much? 10 45 degree equal to? Hello? Anyone tell me? 10
1.
45. 1, yeah, 1, because 10 45 degree equal to sine 45 degree upon cos 45 degree. Value of sine 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, value of cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into reciprocal of 1 by root is root 2 upon 1. So root 2 upon cot, 1 and 1 also cot, but 1 divides 1 time, root 2 divides root 2 1 times, 1 1 is 1, finally we get 1 here. Okay. Now here 10 60 degree equal to value of sine 60 degree upon value of cos 60 degree. So root 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. But here in the denominator 1 upon 2, here is fraction. So in that case always, if you are dividing fraction by fraction, what we have to do? We have to change into reciprocal. We have to change into reciprocal. Always. You remember this. If one fraction is divided by another fraction, or may not be fraction in the numerator, but in the numerator may not be fraction, but in the denominator may be fraction. In that case, if you are dividing by fraction, in that case, we have to change that into reciprocal. So here root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 means root 3 by 2 into 2 upon 1. Reciprocal 1 by 2 means 2 upon 1. So what happens here? 2 cut, there remains root 3. So 10 60 degree equal to root 3. Now your important thing is here for 10 90 degree. 10 90 degree equal to 90 degree upon cos 90 degree. Sin 90 degree means 1. Value of sin 90 degree equal to 1. Value of cos 0 degree equal, cos 90 degree equal to 0. So 1 divided by 0 equal to how much? What I told you
Infinite.
last time. I told you?
Infinite.
Infinite.
Yeah. This value, you look here. In compulsory maths, for this we have used meaningless. You know, in arithmetic, you have learned that when becomes the value of rational expression defined, there is one topic is that. But in compulsory maths, we have used undefined. Actually, undefined in optional maths, here we say infinity. Infinity, it is infinity. If something upon 0, then it becomes infinity. Okay. Now, after this, I think you can find for cosec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, you can find. And for sec also you can find sec 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, you can find. And you look here, cot, for cot, and here relation of cot. Also, you look here, relation of tan and cot already you have learned. They have the relation of reciprocal relation. And already you know, relation of sine and cosec also they have relation of reciprocal. And you know, relation of cos and sec, they have reciprocal relation of cos and sec. So remaining from reciprocal we can find. For cot we can find from, you know, quotient relation also. From quotient relation also we can find. If we know sin is, we can find out from quotient relation. If we know tan, from that we can find out reciprocal relation, because cot is equal to, cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. You know that? From that also we can find out. We have option here. Anyway, let's see, let's complete this table. Okay, you look here. Now here, cosec means what? Cosec means what? Cosec 0 degree equal to what? 1 upon sine 0 degree. 1 upon sine 0 degree. It means 1 upon sine 0 degree means 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 means again infinity. So remember, okay, first I want to show here, everyone look here, these values you do compute yourself. If you know the value of sine, then you can find cos. If you know the value of sine and cos, you can find out tan. If you know the value of sine, we can find out cosec. And from this technique, try to find other. Okay. Okay, let's see here little bit. One example also, an example exercise from exercise 7.4. Everyone look here. One question. Find the value of page number 100. You open page number 100. There is in number 1, find the value of. If you don't know sine 30 degree, how you find the value? Okay. Everyone look here. Here example 1, find the value of sine 30 degree and B number cos 45 degree. Okay. B number I have chosen cosec 45 degree. And here A number sine 30 degree and B number cosec 45 degree is, where is this? Cosec 45 degree. Okay, number. Okay, let's see here. So you apply this table. In the beginning, may be difficult. If you know, if you see here in the table, sine 30 degree, what's the value of sine 30 degree? Look here. How much? How much? 1 by
1 by 2.
Yeah, very easy. So how to do it? You look here. Okay, it's in solution. Just you have to put the value. You look here, sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2. Okay, just, but this is the beginning. So directly we can put the value. But after that, we have to simplify. That type of, okay, problem also comes. Now cosec 40 degree, you look here, cosec 45 degree equal to, you look, root 2. So here we are writing root 2. If you don't know, then what to write here? We cannot write here blindly. If we write blindly here, it becomes wrong. So we have to write correctly here. The values we have to write correctly. Then we get the correct answer. Okay. Now next number. Okay, next number, 2 number also. Let's see here, 2 number. Okay, look here. 2 number, find the value of pi equal to 180 degree. You know, value of pi equal to 180 degree. Okay, pi is radian measure. That radian measure equal to 180 degree already we have done. While converting one system into another system, we have done there also. Pi equal to 180 degree. Already you know that. And that pi equal to 180 degree, if you are changing into grade, 180 degree equal to 200 grade. Are you remembering or no? That also.
Yes, sir.
You done? Okay. And try to remember. A number. Here to find 2 cosec 30 degree. Here dot means into. Dot means into here. Sec 60 degree. Dot. Tan 60 degree. Dot. Cot 30 degree. What's the value? Just we have to substitute the value of cos 30 degree, sec 60 degree, tan 60 degree, cot 30 degree. Anyway, let's see here. Okay, it's solution. Okay, everyone look here. So look, 2 cosec 30 degree, 2 into, before substituting the value, we have to write into. Cosec 30 degree equal to 2. So you look in the table, okay, in the table cosec 30 degree equal to 2 into sec 30 degree also 2. You look here, sec 60 degree also 2 into tan 60 degree equal to, you know, root 3 into cot 30 degree also root 3. Now you simplify them. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 3 3 is 9, root 9. Root we can multiply. Root and root. It means irrational number we can multiply with irrational number. Rational number we have to multiply with rational number. Outside and inside root sign, in the root sign, by the outside number you cannot multiply with it. Remember this. These 2, these are rational numbers, and these 2, root 3, they are irrational numbers. Irrational number we can multiply. But in irrational number also maybe of different degree. If they have different degree, it means different root, in that we cannot multiply. but this also is square root, this also is square root, so we can multiply. Root 3 into root 3, just root sign, 3 3 is 9. So 8, now root of 9 is 3, already you know, square root of 9 is 3, so 8 3 is 24. Are you clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see for last time also. यो भयो अब 2 number को let's see 2 number I. 2 number I पनि हेरौं. Everyone look here. 2 number I. Okay, 2 number I मा के छ? 2 number I मा look, 2 number I sin pi by 6 plus cos pi by 6 into sin pi by 6 minus cos pi by 6. So how to do it? अब त्यहाँनिर एउटै क्वान्टिटी छ a र b भने जस्तै, only the difference of sign. Okay, so let's see here. कसरी गर्ने होला? यहाँ हेर्ने, यो छ, यो भनेको sin pi by 6 भनेको a and cos pi by 6 भनेको b, in a plus b हुने भयो. यो भनेको a, यो plus b, a minus b. Already you know, a plus b into a minus b के हुन्छ if you multiply? What happens? A plus b into a minus b equal to what? के हुन्छ? Tell me. Hello? 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 के भयो? स्प्लम 10a भनेको 10 थीटा जस्तो x छ, b इक्वल टु y हुने भयो. अब s फाइन गर्ने है. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
s फाइन गर्ने. फाइन सकेपछि सब अब sin a भनेको के हुन्छ? sin भनेको a अपन h हुन्छ, cos भनेको के हुन्छ? b अपन h हुन्छ. सबै भ्यालु सब्स्टिट्युट गर्ने, अनि भ्यालु सब्स्टिट्युट गर्ने भनेले कुन कट हुने जति कट गर्ने, कट नहुने जति बाँकीलाई सिम्प्लिफाई गरेर राख्ने, आइहाल्छ. यो गाह्रो छैन. ओके?
Okay, sir.